107, it's going to be, again, a Chrysler 300 4-door 2017, black in color.
Okay, I think I got him. He's on the access road right now, traveling westbound. Okay, he's on the wrong side of the road, trying to split the middle access road. Got front end damage. Just blew through the intersection at Zool Road, getting back up on 10. He's back number 2 lane, just really slow. Okay, he's got smoke coming out of the front left tire now. He's probably going to have to shut it down pretty quick. He's smoking on the road. Just lost a tire. Now he's running on the rim. He is IH10 and FM1518 taking the exit. IH10, 1518.
Hey, the Guadalupe troops, this 107, how far behind are you guys?
6631 to 107. We're underneath 1518 right now. I'm on 10. Got another unit on the access road.
Okay, 10-4. He's still slow rolling it, coming up to Fruitenberg Road, still on the access. Heads up, guys. He looks like he's getting out. He's under the floorboard, guys. Under the floorboard. Be careful. Be careful. Under the floorboard, guys. Watch it. Taking up a defensive position, guys. Shots fired. Shots fired. Troop down. Troop down. Let's get EMS en route. Troops down. Got a handgun. Troops down. It's gonna be a small caliber weapon. Small caliber weapon. Either 9mm, something like that, to EMS, and he's shot in the right arm. 107, you got an ETA on EMS?
107, standby, we'll get an ETA.
7 to the troops. I think we're going to try to land and medevac him ourselves. Copy that?
107, will you be taking them to SAMC so that we can notify them?
University.
Confirming you said University?
University, San Antonio. And if you could find out what frequency their helipad uses.